Hello and welcome back to the channel. Sorry, I've been away for a little bit working on some stuff. Today I have a visitor with me. This is my son, Duncan. He's been in a few videos before. He actually wants to be in more videos, gaming related stuff. Maybe that's something for our second channel. But today, we're gonna have some snacks. You want some snacks? Yeah. A company called Munchpak reached out to me again. I did a video about one of their boxes back in 2015 with him and with my wife, Christina. She is unavailable at the moment, but he just got off the school bus and I'm having a little bit of craving as well, and their box showed up. Munchpak, if you're not familiar with it, it's a snack aggregation service. They bring in snacks from all around the world, and you can get it for as little as $9.95 a month or as much as like $40-something a month, depending on how large of a box you want and how often you want to receive them and how far in advance you want to pay. This is the middle-sized box, so it should have 10 different things inside of it. You ready to dive in? All right. Go for it. Here at the top, we've got this little sign. It says, "Made with love by Francis. I am Munchpak. I'm not your average snack box. I'm a snack party waiting to happen. Grab your loved ones and get ready to introduce your taste buds to some brand new flavor profiles." Cool stuff. So let's just pick out one item at a time. We'll take a look at it, maybe take a bite of it if it looks good to us. So what's this first item? We have, I'm not gonna be able to pronounce this, Keeks, Coughs, I don't know, Dubliner, Irish cheese and onion, potato chips, crisps, whatever you want to call it. Well, we won't try anything just yet unless you want to. If you see something that just looks really good, let me know. But we got some chips, presumably something like sour cream and onion. It says cheese and onion, probably pretty tasty. Next up, what do we got? We've got Al Chipino. Try a new angle, peri peri. So these are tortilla chips made by a company called Al Chipino. And down here it says peri peri, from the jungles of Africa. Peri peri arrived to the land of spices. India couldn't tame it, but added its spice, fire, and heat. So I'm guessing that this is like an Indian-inspired flavor. So that might be pretty good. Like I said, if you see anything in here that you want to try, let us know. Oh, nope. I don't know how to read that. It's been a while since I studied Japanese, and I believe these are all Japanese. Katakana, hiragana. I can feel there are a bunch of little pieces of candy inside though. And it says ramune candy. That's probably like the drink that kind of looks like this bottle. So little pieces of candy. You wanna try the candy? Yeah. All right, so we'll tear it open, pop it open, hand out. There's a couple. I'll try one for myself. It kind of looks like the top of a Dum Dum sucker. Yeah. Yeah?
Try.
And it tastes like a sucker. That's pretty good.
Real hard to chew.
Yeah, you shouldn't be chewing them probably. No, it's not ready for chewing. It's just like a sucker. So that's pretty good. While we've got this, let's go ahead and just keep looking. What else do you want to get? What's next? All right, we've got Miggy's Bit Bits. Rice Krispies covered in chocolatey fun. Strawberry cheesecake artificially flavored. That sounds really, really good. We may come back to that in a minute too.
It's really getting into me.
The Ramune candy, it's got a little bit of fizziness to it, doesn't it? And you put two of them in at once. It's not like Pop Rocks, but it's got a little tingle to it.
It makes it sour.
But moving on, what's this?
Candy.
This feels gummy. This feels like it might be right up your alley.
Yep.
Cannot read a thing on the package, but I believe that's Korean. It says King Jelly on here in English. Product of Korea, so I was in the right direction at least. Do you want to try a gummy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, these are gummy worms.
That's a gummy worm.
That's a gummy worm. All right, so I've got a little gummy worm that's pink. What? You're not a fan?
Nope. I'm not taking it.
Ooh, that's good. It's like grapefruit.
I'll try the yellow.
That's actually pretty pleasant. If you're not expecting traditional
Yeah, I wasn't expecting that.
gummy worm flavors.
So it's actually pretty good.
Yeah, that's good stuff. This will not last long around here.
Okay, next.
I definitely can't read that either, but I'm believing that is still Japanese characters. I know that's the no character, so that's something. And on the back, it says wheat cracker bourbon. It says bourbon. We are from Kentucky. That is where bourbon originates. Do we want to try? This is going to be chocolate bourbon balls, probably.
No.
You don't want to try that? I'm going to try one. Again, we're from Kentucky. Bourbon balls are a big thing here. Sorry for the noise. Ooh, they smell good. Look at that. These are chocolate, I'm guessing peanut butter. They look like logs. They look like the stump of a tree. They're crispy.
Really good.
Chocolatey. It reminds me of a KitKat. No taste of bourbon at all. That's really, really good. What do we have next? Oh, Cadbury Star Bar. A chewy cosmos of peanuts and caramel. This one will go to me.
I don't like caramel.
You don't like caramel? This boy, he doesn't like caramel. He doesn't like peanut butter. He doesn't like cinnamon. What do you like? He likes Doritos. So if they can send some imported Doritos. Anyway, let's move on. What would you like to see next? What about this one?
Yeah.
Silhouette, rolled wafers, French truffle lined. So I'm guessing these are like little chocolate sticks. Delicate, light, crispy wafers with gourmet truffle lining. You want more chocolate right now, or you want something else?
Something else.
Something else. All right. What about this? iCard, nope. I'm believing that's Polish. It looks like,
Chocolate.
well, yes, it does look like a chocolate bar with chocolate inside of it. Chocolatey chocolate with chocolate inside. I spent a little bit of time in Poland in college, so I learned to recognize the language. And they don't have a special sticker on the back of this one, so I have no idea what any of this says, but it looks good. Maybe I'll come back to that later as well.
No.
What? Oh, we
Yes.
have a can of Fanta. I don't know the lettering or where that's even from. It says carbonated soft drink, cream soda flavored Fanta brand, product of Thailand. So I definitely would not have guessed. You don't like cream soda, do you?
I think I've tried it. But
You think you've tried it? Well, it cannot hurt to try it again. So we'll go ahead and open this too. Wash our mouths out in a little bit. Ooh, it's kind of a pineapple cream soda. That is really, really good. And it's green. The can itself is green, obviously, but the liquid inside is green. What do you think of that? I am a big fan. I'm hanging on to that. And the last thing in the box here, BoobAToe soft drinks jelly gum. So these are more gummies that look like soft drink bottles. And from the looks of it, they might be sour. It looks like they've got the sour powder all over the outside. I'm gonna go for it. Choose wisely. I'm gonna choose this one that looks kind of like root beer. I'm not tasting sour, are you?
I'm tasting weird.
Although my sour flavor taster is broken, just like my heat sensor's broken. That does taste a little bit like root beer though. That's pretty good.
Yeah. Mine doesn't really.
It doesn't taste good? You didn't care for it. There are a bunch of different flavors in there though, so if there's something you think you'd like better, I'm very pleased with this. Very chewy, very sticky.
Better but harder.
Yeah. Tastes better though? Good. So all in all, let me just pull everything back together here for a minute. So just all in all, taking a look back at everything that came in the box, we got some gummy stuff, some chocolatey stuff, lots and lots of chocolatey stuff, some little sweet sucker-like things, and then some chips, which actually we didn't try any of the chips, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this too. You wanna try the chip? Okay. Oh yeah. If I'm ever in Ireland, oh yeah. Cheese and onion.
It's kind of weird, but
No?
I like it.
He likes a lot of different types of chips. A wide variety of things, and I even forgot the sodas in there too. The medium box, it's a little overwhelming to be honest, but keep in mind if you get this, you can get it once a week, once a month, so you can pick sort of the size of box that you want and the frequency you want to receive it. So I guess just adjust accordingly, figure out how much you want and when you want to get it. I could definitely say I would want to receive this more and more often. So Munchpak, if you happen to see this, if you want to send more of these out, we would love that. That would be awesome. I'll put a link to their site where you can go check it out if you're interested down in the video description, of course. We're gonna put some of these things in the cabinet and forget that they're there for a little while so we can come back and enjoy them later. Thank you guys, as always, for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Let us know if you'd like to see us playing video games or anything. We can do that over on our family vlogging channel. Somebody's at the door, so subscribe if you want to receive new videos when they come out. Why don't you go see who's there? And we will see you again next time. Bye, guys.